Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Python 3.3.10.5. First you have to go to Chrome, then search Python. The link of website is in the description box. Click on the link. Then I am using Windows, so I will download Windows version. Or if you are using Mac OS, so you will download for Mac. Click on download option. The downloading starts. Download it. Click on the downloaded file. Then click on add Python 3.0 to path. Then click on install now. Click on yes. It's installing. Wait for some time. Installation is complete. Then click on close. We will today write our first program in Python. Click on Windows icon, then type Python. Then click on IDL Python 3.0 64-bit. Click on open. Then click on file. Then click on new file. Click on file. Then save as. I am saving as my first program. Click on save. Then write print hello world. Then run. Click on run module. Click on OK. See, the Python runs and it comes hello world. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.